If you can hear that, that's everyone excited for Everest open this week. And we're gonna ride it right now. It looks like it says 55 minutes, so that's gonna be fun. We're gonna get on that right now. But before we get started, if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. It will mean a lot for our channel. All right, now let's go do this. Let's get in the line. We just got off that ride. It was really fun. Now we're in the bazaar, the gift shop. Let's check some of this stuff out. Got some Yetis. Here we go. Now we got some of the good stuff. Nice. Look at this one. This is pretty cool. Yeti for anything. Ooh. These are nice. Yeti keychains. Look at that. Those are nice. More hoodies, mug. You could put your frame photos in here. Look at this shit. This long sleeve. That one's actually nice. Alright, that is all for you guys today. If you liked the video, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.